Hey, what's up guys? It's JB again. Today we have Gordan's KR PLO Coon. If you guys can see here, I went ahead and polished up the emitter area. There's still some polish in there. Kind of hard to get down in there, but I'll try again to get down there. Saber has a few little dings on it. Obviously, I mean, during shipping and stuff like that, a few little nicks, but it's nothing too bad. You can't really notice it. But yeah, got the accent LED right here. You guys can see that. Cover tech. This has a nano viscosity NBv4, and of course I mentioned the accent LED, which is blue, and the switch is right here. What you do is you unscrew this a little bit, and you're able to, oops, actually, you have to be careful with these because you can unscrew the entire thing, and that's bad. You guys can see right here. I'm gonna do a jump cut while I get this. I'm actually gonna, I don't want to glue it in that other piece just in case we need to do repairs or anything like that in the future. But I'm gonna do a jump cut and put this back, and then I'll show it again. Hold on. Okay guys, sorry about that. Like I was saying, in order to actually activate this saber, you have to unscrew right here, just enough until you hear the click of the switch. And once you activate your saber, you switch fonts or whatever, you can just go ahead and tighten that up so you don't lose it. Get your cover tech, like I mentioned. Recharge port and kill key is located down here. You got your 31mm bass speaker there as well, and you have your twist.
There's always a bigger fish.
Kill key. The sound fonts in this saber are Episode 2 Age of Battle, and you have your Obi-Wan font. I believe it was Fates. If not, it was Pro Quai. I think it was Fates. Of course, it'll be in the description, as you guys know. And the other font was I always forget, but it's in the description. I promise you, it's in there. So don't criticize me or ridicule me for forgetting, because I always do. I mean, we deal with tons of sabers, and we can't remember everything, guys. So I mean, I know some of you guys always comment, you know, the fonts for me. I appreciate that, but they're in the description all the time, so just check that out. On Facebook, of course, you know, we put the information there as well. So the description of the saber, all the specs are in the description of the video below. Anyway, yeah, you have your accent LED here, blade retention up here. It's felt like I rotated that forever. Yeah, this accent LED is pretty bright. But yeah, let's activate the saber. The LED, the LED is a Tri-Cree Royal Blue Green. So you're gonna have blue, cyan, and an Arctic blue. The Arctic blue is with the Qui-Gon font, and the blues together, which is like a medium blues with the Qui-Gon font, and he's going to be using a photon blade with that. Gordan told me he's going to be using a photon with that, so I set that up. And I believe the Arctic blue is with the Episode 2 Age of Battle, or it could be the cyan. Either one of those. Well, we're gonna find out right now. So yeah, you unscrew this. So this is episode 2 Age of Battle, and this is indeed the Arctic. So once you're done activating your saber, you can tighten that.
This party's over.
Mace Windu. This is the font that I forgot. Always. Oh, I don't know why I did that. So this is more of a cyan mix. You won't be able to tell right now. And the blade I have is like too thick. Not thick, but it's too, the OD is too big for the opening. It's a 1 inch, by the way. Switch fonts.
The negotiations will be short.
And this will be the medium blue. So it's just medium blue, no green in there at all. There's definitely fates just hearing that clash. So I'm going to put this blade in, and I'm going to show you guys the colors of the other two, the mixed. Like I said, this blade's too big, so that's all I can go in, so it's kind of weird. Yeah, so you guys can see the colors. This is more of the Arctic blue, got the cyan flash on flash. I need to get another blade because usually I use the Saber Forge blades, but I don't have any more. This is a cyan. It's a little brighter. Got a teal flash on flash on this one. I'm going to turn the light off so you guys can see these. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys with the photon with the medium blue. I have to kind of go out of focus a bit so you guys can see the color. See there. If I hit the blade too hard, it's going to come off.
The negotiations will be short.
So this is the medium blue. So let's see that. It's a lot more bluer than the other. And I'll show you that with the photon blade right now. Might as well. Oops, sorry camera. Sorry tripod. Dang blade cap. Need 2 hands. These videos are not edited for the most part. Whoa, that is bright. That's very bright. So it's just like the Qui-Gon, the same mix and color. Flash on Clash won't be as significant. Oh, there we go. I was able to fit inside. Because it has a green Flash on Clash, so I mean, can't really do much there with Photon. That still looks pretty good. You guys can see. It's nice. And let me just show you guys the other color.
There's always a bigger fish.
There's always a bigger fish. And there you guys go. It's a little brighter than the standard blue. You guys can see there.
This party's over.
Yes, this party is over. Definitely. Alrighty, Gordon. So here is your saber, and I hope you enjoy it. Shout out to Jordan Lightner again. He also did this one, and I think there's only one more that he did for us that we're gonna reveal, and then the rest of them will be mine, or ours, I should say. I might skip ahead and do one of the ones that I completed recently. But yeah, Gordon, thank you for your patience. We have your balance reveal coming up shortly. So we'll see you till then. Later, guys.